I'm gonna let this go. Oh wee, look at them babies.
I'm gonna grab a scoop.
All right, squad, today I'm gonna show you how to boil your ribs before you throw them on the grill to get a guaranteed tender party hit type of rib. Boiling liquid. Let me tell you what's all in here. I got apple cider vinegar, salt, sugar, equal amount, red pepper flakes, onion, garlic, soy sauce, and a herb, your favorite herb. Let me tell you why it's important to make sure your boiling liquid for your ribs is very seasoned. Think of it this way, whatever you put in is what you get out. So I season it, and I was taught by a chef that your water should definitely taste like some salt water. Like, you need that seasoning. And me, I did the salt and sugar because, you know, it's ribs, salty, sweet. First things first, you need to make sure like you're boiling that liquid for like 15 minutes, get those ingredients to marry. Yeah, I said marry, just like my beautiful wife that I'm married to. Once these are boiled up real nice, I'm gonna put in my ribs, and the ribs are gonna boil for about 40, let's see, about like an hour. The reason why I said an hour, don't go over, because we want our ribs tender, right? And they are gonna get tender when they're boiled. But there's a such thing as overboiling it. And if you overboil it, y'all, let me be real. All you're gonna have left is protein, no fat, and you're gonna end up worse off. So this is like a balancing thing. You gotta be very careful. The ribs that I have here are from Kroger, and it did cost me $30, but I got two. So that's $15 a rack. These are pork spare ribs. And honestly, with a family of 7, anytime I gotta save some time, that's why I'm boiling my ribs, I'ma do it. All right, opening up the ribs right now, and what I'm gonna do now is just clean it up a little bit. I don't trim off too much fat, especially if I'm gonna be boiling it. I'm gonna trim it to the point where I take off the rib tip area, which is where I'm cutting now, and I'm definitely gonna keep that. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with that later. Now, the part that I don't like doing, but you gotta do, is the membrane that you see connected right there, that really white area. I'm cutting it because I use a paper towel. By the way, this is my technique where I grab that membrane. You can also use a spoon to lift it, but if you do not get this off, you know, it'll be chewier. It is a process. It's not easy to get that membrane off, but it's so worth the effort, so worth the energy. But it should come right off like I just did. And I'm just making sure it's cleaned up now. I'm going to go ahead and cut the ribs off a little bit. And I could have did the double cut, but I want to do individual. We're a family of 7. This is like a party as well we're having. So I have to make sure each and every one of those are cut individually. Got to make it stretch, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm doing that. Every time I'm getting a rack of St. Louis ribs cut up, it brings back good memories with my Nana, because when she does it, it's like an art, you know, like knife skills. You went from this whole huge rack to nice, beautiful cuts of ribs, and it's just good memories. Shout out, Nana, I love you. Let this go for about 40 minutes, and it's not boiling, as you can see. I just want to simmer. I don't want to boil out all the goodness and make it tough. Over trimmings, I'm gonna go ahead and save it, put it in the freezer, because I'm gonna use these for, you know, maybe a future stew, or if I want to cut these up and make rib tips. But I think either a stew or some type of casserole for our family. I'm not going to waste this meat, so I suggest you to always save it. How it should look after it gets out of the water. So right now I'm gonna let them cool down, and I'm gonna put a little bit more seasoning. This is a little bit past halfway cooked. As you can see, there's still some blood. That's good. We don't want it overcooked. These were in the fridge, sitting overnight in this dry rub. Yes, indeed. And they are ready to go on the grill. They're about a little bit past halfway cooked. Still kind of tender. Oh, and it's been sitting in there. Grill fired up. Yes, it gets dusty. This is Arizona and it's outside. But I am going to clean this up, let it heat up real nice so I can scrub it clean. I did cover some of these ribs in some barbecue sauce. I am going in the top back. Once it's cooked through, we're going to put it directly on the grill to caramelize the sugar. Daughter Eliott is putting on some burgers for our little party. Thank you, Eliott. Appreciate it. Oh, wait, look at them babies. Look at the color on there. The barbecue's nice and caramelized. I said caramelized, it's caramelized. Some of them got a little bit too cooked. But hey, I got 5 kids to keep up with. What are you doing over here?
This is the queso con carne. Ooh. It is my first time making it. Check it out on Kmoney Eliott TV. I did the full recipe. Cash did the taste test as well. But this is...
that looks good, babe.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, we're having some a little get-together, a little party. So these are little party food ideas with the ribs, the queso. Yeah, that looks delicious. I'm going to give it a shot with one of these chips. Let's see if my wife got any skills, because... I don't know.
No, you
because I originally married her for her amazing personality, but I keep forgetting if she can cook.
Child, we know I know how to cook, so be careful. Of course, you won't have no problems with those soup coolers. You like it? Mm-hmm. Are you capping?
What type of cheese you use again?
I use, it's like the Velveeta, but it's the Great Value, the Walmart brand.
It was good.
And I season everything myself.
Did you put slapping mama in there?
I sure did. All the ingredients and everything I used in here is on Kmoney Eliott.
And what you got over here for our little party, our party food ideas? We got our, look at you fancy, babe. You organizing stuff.
I'm making some chicken salad sandwiches. I'm not happy about this. I understand the prices are going up due to everything in the world that's going on. Mm-hmm. But this one I'm hurt about.
What?
And I know it's just a few dollars. But I love to get this from Costco, the hand-pulled rotisserie chicken. Mm-hmm. It comes like next to the salads that are pre-made. All the foods that are pre-made is where you can find this. Mm-hmm. It used to be $12.99. It went up to $15.99. Oh, it's just a few bucks, but it hurts.
What are you doing with it? Like, it looks like you're going to make chicken salad, right?
Chicken salad sandwiches.
And these croissants came from, you know what? How do you say it? Croissants?
Croissants. I don't know. I need to go there.
And then chopped up celery's going in it, some grapes, some walnuts.
And some mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. I don't know what brand that is.
Don't even play. I got Hellman's, and don't mind this on my shirt, y'all. The dip got on me. But I asked for Hellman's. This thing gonna come back with this. I ain't even noticed it till we got home. I was like, where's the Hellman's? What is this blue plate?
Comment down below if you ever heard of blue plate mayonnaise. I'm sure somebody's gonna say, you know what? It's classy. What are you talking about?
Well, it's Louisiana brand. It says it's perfect for salad, sandwiches, and all your favorite recipes. So I guess we're gonna give it a try. But if it messes up my recipe,
you gonna be upset with me?
I'm be upset because I wanted some Hellman's.
You know what? You love me too much to be upset with me for too long.
And comment down below. I do love you, but comment down below. Is this? I'm not gonna call it imitation, but is this supposed to be like Miracle Whip or Hellman's?
Go ahead and take a lick of it.
You know what? I'm gonna open it so you could try it.
I ain't scared to try it.
Okay.
I mean, it might make your chicken salad taste even better.
All right, vote now. Comment down below
if you think it tastes good.
It's gonna taste the same.
All right. I could let you know. What? I think it's gonna be an imitation of Miracle Whip, and that's not what I was going.
No, it's regular mayo, no Miracle.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's regular mayo.
Oh yeah, here, Cash. Let me piece off of that.
He's not gonna try. He just wants to smell it.
Oh, you want to smell it? I thought you want to try it.
Yeah, it'll be good.
All right, we trying it today.
I think it'll make your chicken salad taste even better.
Since 1927.
You cannot beat.
Our other ingredients are the celery, grapes, and the good old Walmart. Did I say Walmart?
Girl.
Ooh, and walnuts.
That's how you know you shop too much.
That's how you know I shop too much. I am thinking of Walmart all the time. And matter of fact, I'm thinking about going there now after I finish this.
Oh, Lord. Can we get away from Walmart, Eliott?
Not today. So that is all in there. Give this a good mix. Oh, it's flying everywhere.
It looks good, babe.
Thank you.
Looks like fresh.
This is that fresh for you.
And fancy.
And of course we are going to season as we go because I did put in the initial seasonings, but it may need more.
What type of seasonings do you use for chicken salad, actually?
For this, of course, I'm using seasoning salt,
Oh,
black pepper, granulated garlic, and some granulated onion. And I just put a splash of badia as well.
Oh yeah, you gotta have that body yada yada yada.
A little bit of everything in this bite.
It came out really good. Kmoney's so on the fence, but I love it. It's good. I don't know why you're being so hard on yourself.
I know, right?
Kmoney is what you call bougie, so
I don't like it.
she don't like it. We love.
And then I'm gonna grab a scoop, a big scoop,
Oh my lord.
shove it down in there like that,
Just like that.
just like that,
Why you have to like shove it down so hard?
to fill it up.
And plus, who wants to have it half full? Come on now.
I mean, it's kind of scary how she pushed it though. It's like
This one,
a little.
look at that.
Babe,
so
that's gonna
big.
feed everybody in one bite. I'm just playing.
Everybody. So you
That's
can cut
huge.
it if you want,
That
but
looks good though.
it looks good, and I have a couple there done. And then we're just gonna place this in the platter like so.
I like it a lot, baby.
pause.
So, Deshaun's gonna try them ribs and tell me how it is. And dang, boy, dang. Okay, so how's it tasting so far? You like them?
It's really good.
Like out of every time I ever
Everything.
made bomb diet, what?
Everything.
Out of every time I made ribs, how is this out of 3? The top 2, top 3rd, or top 5th? Number 1? What?